So this is the exact setup I use to build my entire app. 2 AI tools working together inside one editor. And if you had never used AI to code before, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start. I've been coding for 6 years, and the way I code right now looks nothing like it did a year ago. So AI didn't just speed up my workflow, it's completely changed it. My setup is Google Antigravity has my code editor with Claude running inside it. And Gravity is Google's AI-powered IDE. It's built on VS Code, so it feels familiar, but that's Gemini built in, so the whole editor is designed around AI. And then inside that, I run Claude Code, which is Anthropic's coding agents. It reads my entire code base, understands words I'm building, and writes code directly into my files. So I have got 2 AI models, Gemini from Antigravity and Claude from Claude Code. So both working inside the same editor on the same project, and I use them for different things. So I'm going to walk you through my exact setup and how I use each tool when I use Claude Code versus the built-in Antigravity AI, and a workflow that lets me shape features on my app Hangio way faster than coding everything manually. And I'm keeping this beginner friendly. Even if you have never touched code editor before, you'll be able to follow along. So let me break down what each tool actually does so this makes sense. Google Antigravity is the Google editor. Think of the VS Code but with AI built into everything. So it's got Gemini integrated throughout. You get inline code, completions, and AI charts panel, and autonomous agents that can plan and execute tasks across your project. So if you have ever used VS Code before, Antigravity feels familiar because it's built on the same foundation. So your extensions work, your shortcuts work. It just has AI layered on top of everything. So now let's talk about Claude Code, which is very different. So Claude Code is different. Claude Code is an AI coding agent made by Anthropic. What makes it special is that it doesn't just autocomplete your code, it actually reads your entire project. It understands your file structure, your database schema, and your components. So the whole picture, and when you tell it to build something, it writes code that fits into the specific project. So the question is, why do I use both? Because they are good at different things. So Antigravity built in AI is great for quick inline completion, fast edits, but when I need to build the whole feature, factor something across multiple files, or debug a complex issue, then I switch to Claude Code. So Claude Code is better at understanding the big picture of what I'm trying to do and writing code that actually works within the confines of my entire code base. And the Gravity AI is my quick assistant. So Claude Code is my senior developer. I use both for different jobs. So let me walk you through how to get this setup running from scratch. So step 1, download Google Antigravity. So you can get it from Google sites. It is free, they're in the preview. Install it like any other app. So if you are using Windows or you are using Mac, it's just very easy for it to open. So when you open it, it's going to look a lot like VS Code. You can also pick if you want to actually look more like Cursor. So if you have used VS Code before, you feel right at home. So step 2, sign in with your Google account. So this gives you access to built-in Gemini AI features, the completions, the chat panel, the agent. That is all baked in from the start. So step 3 is install Claude Code. So I'm actually using a paid version, but you can install Claude Code extension directly from the extension marketplace inside Antigravity. So search for Claude Code, install it, and you might need to restart your editor. So step 4, connect with your Claude Code with the Claude model so it can read your project and starts helping you build. So step 5 is for you to open your project. So navigate to your code base, open it in Antigravity, and now you have both AIs ready to go in the same editor. So Antigravity Gemini is running in the background for inline completions, and Claude Code is sitting in Spanish ready for bigger tasks. So that is the setup. So it takes about 10 minutes and you're good to go. So if you're just getting started with AI coding, here are my honest advice. I just want you to just start. So pick one of these tools, open a project, and start talking to it. And the more you use it, the better you get at communicating with it. So that communication skill is honestly the most important thing. So if you want to see more of how I build Hangio with this workflow, hit subscribe. And if you want to try Hangio, I want you to just go to joinhangio.com, and it's actually in the link in the description. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.